Hello everyone. This is another installment of the Windows operating system. What you see before you, everything you see here is considered the Windows desktop. This is the taskbar within the Windows desktop. These individual icons, pictures, icon means representations of things, or pictures of things. So these are programs that's located on here. In your far left corner is the Windows key. A lot of people call this the start key. So a lot of what we're going to do, we're going to go to Windows key, like if we was going to find Word or any other program that's on your program, you would hit the Windows key. You just start typing the name of it. So Windows, Excel, Pictures, whatever program you may have on here. Next to your Windows key is a search. It's a little microphone. If you type what you want inside of there, it will find it either on the internet or on your computer. Next to there is Cortana. Cortana is similar to OK Google or the one that Mac has, Siri, where you just ask a question and it'll find it, or you can click on it and find a question. Next button is a little blurry here, but it looks like a shield. It's multicolored. It's right here in this corner here. That's Chrome. Chrome is where you get on the internet. It's also, a lot of time we say just go to Google. Well, it's Chrome, but there's other internet providers out there. So you have Chrome, you have Microsoft Edge, you have Firefox, you have DuckDuckGo. All of those are the same way to get the internet. They're just different providers. Next to this, oh, by the way, Windows, to get back to the desktop in case you get lost, if you hit Windows D, this is Windows plus D. Go ahead and do it now, do it twice. It'll take down everything and bring back up everything, if you have anything on there. If not, then nothing's gonna happen. So Explorers, this is Windows E. It opens up, let's see, it opens up something like this right here. So this is the Explorer. So you have the desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, Windows E. Or you can just hit the little folder. It looks like a folder because we're exploring folders on our computer. Chrome, same thing. If you hit Chrome, hey, one of my videos. But anyway, so yes, so you find different things on the internet here. Goes that the Windows key. We click the Windows key. Then we can find Drive, Office, Microsoft Edge. It just has anything on here. Just start typing. Mine particularly has a lot because here's Word here. But if I just started typing Word, it will pop up over here, and then you just click on it. And so once everything's open up, you're gonna see a lot of little programs. This is Excel, but you'll see Excel, Word here, and they will be highlighted. So you know that they're open, and you know that they're already open on your computer. You just click on them. Otherwise, if you click on them, they'll just open up anyway. Another way to find out what's on your computer, if you hit Alt-Tab, but we're going to come back to that. If you hit Alt-Tab, it'll run through everything that's on your computer. This is your notification area right here. This is where you will find your sound, your speakers, your mic. This is how you connect to the internet. You can use either wireless or your connections, Ethernet. You also have your clock and your calendar over here and other little notifications. If there's any questions, if not, you guys can go back through this right here. Oh, and like I was saying about the icons, the ones with the arrows are shortcuts. Just like these down here, they're shortcuts. The ones without the arrows is the actual program. You'll go directly in the program. All right, that's about all for this series here. We will go next to Windows Explorer.